Welcome. If you want to stay on top of every moment in your Discord calls, enabling notification sounds for Undeafen is a must, especially after the latest update. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on Undeafen notification sounds using Discord web on your PC. First, open Discord right from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear. Now that you're in the user settings menu, look at the list on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the notifications section. Click on notifications to open up all the different ways you can customize your Discord experience. Inside the notifications settings, you'll see a variety of options for both desktop alerts and sounds. Scroll down to the section labeled Sounds. Here, you'll find toggles for different notification events, including one for Undeafen. To enable the Undeafen notification sound, simply switch the toggle to the on position. That's it. From now on, whenever you undeafen yourself during a call, you'll hear a sound letting you know the action was successful. This feature is especially helpful if you're multitasking or have multiple tabs open, so you never miss a beat when you rejoin the conversation. Remember, you can always come back to the notifications menu to adjust other sounds or alerts to fit your preferences. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enable Undeafen notification sounds on Discord web for PC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with your friends so everyone can stay in sync during their Discord calls. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your improved Discord experience.